If you want to use Gemini on Samsung Galaxy A37, then we have a couple of ways that allow you to activate Gemini. For example, we can press and hold the power button. By default, this allows you to quickly activate Gemini on your phone with the microphone, so you can say something that you want to ask Gemini about. Of course, you can also deactivate the microphone if you want to. You can tap on it in order to stop. You can also tap on this field in order to write something by yourself. Here we can also use the share screen with live option, and live is like an additional feature of Gemini, which allows you to have something like a proper conversation with Gemini. We can also use this plus button in order to find some additional options that you might find useful. So for example, we can take a picture with a camera and send it to Gemini. We can just choose a picture from the gallery, we can attach files, and so on and so forth. And then here we also have the option to, for example, create an image, create music, and so on and so forth. All of this based, of course, on the prompt that we give to Gemini. Besides that, we can also activate Gemini by simply going to the Gemini app, which is, of course, pre-installed, and we should be able to find it in the app drawer. If you just go over here, then you should be able to find the text field over here straight away, so you can write your prompt over here. And everything looks almost exactly the same as in the case when you press and hold the power button, except for there are some couple of additional settings or options. Like for example, here we can switch from fast to thinking or pro or Google AI Plus if you have access to that, and maybe some other options if they become available later on in the future. And there is also the live option in here. So these 3 lines with a star is the Gemini Live. So once again, a feature that allows you to have a proper conversation with Gemini. And the rest is pretty much the same. Besides that, we can of course activate Gemini by saying, "Hey Google" out loud. But in order to do so, first we need to tap on our Google account in the upper right corner. Then we want to proceed to settings, and then here we have Talk to Gemini hands-free. So you can enable "Hey Google" in this place. And you can, after setting it up, you should be able to say "Hey Google" phrase out loud in order to immediately activate Gemini, which can be really useful if you don't really want to hold your phone every time you want to talk to Gemini, or if you want to ask Gemini about something. And besides that, we can also use a widget. We can create a Gemini widget. Now, the easiest way to do so is by pressing and holding our finger on the Gemini app, and then in here we can choose widgets. Then we can press and hold our finger on that widget. We are going to be redirected to the home screen, and you can place it anywhere. You can also adjust the size of the widget if you want to. Of course, the bigger the widget is, the more features you have available straight away. So you can, of course, make it really tiny so that you just have the option to open the Gemini, or you can extend it so that you have access to a couple of additional options immediately. Like if you immediately want to use the live option, then of course you can open it by using this live button in here. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.